Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play against Dragunov. Dragunov is a highly aggressive character known for his relentless pressure and strong offensive tools. He thrives in close quarters, using a mix of quick jabs, powerful throws, and dangerous counter-hit launchers to keep opponents guessing. Understanding his primary attack patterns and how he transitions into his sneak stance is crucial for developing an effective defense. We'll cover key strategies to disrupt his offense and create openings. Dragunov's pressure can feel overwhelming, but it's manageable with the right approach. Focus on breaking his command throws. Many of his most damaging throws require a 1+2 break. Sidestepping to your right can often evade his linear attacks, opening him up for a punish. Remember to block low often, as he has several strong low pokes that can chip away at your health. Identifying and punishing his few unsafe moves is key to turning the tide. While Dragunov is strong, he does have exploitable weaknesses. Many of his powerful attacks have significant recovery on whiff, so be ready to punish them with your most damaging combos. When he enters his sneak stance, a quick jab or a fast low attack can often interrupt him before he can execute his mix-up. Creating space with backdashes can bait out his lunging attacks, leaving him vulnerable. Patience is a virtue when fighting Dragunov. Wait for your moment to strike. To consistently beat Dragunov, adopt a strong defensive mindset, but don't be afraid to apply your own pressure. Learning his common pressure strings will help you anticipate his next move and know when it's safe to retaliate. While he's aggressive, you can also use your own fast attacks to interrupt his flow. The goal is to avoid his big launchers and focus on consistent, steady damage. Stay calm, observe his patterns, and you'll find success against this formidable opponent.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.